Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Kenny Uhaul, located in Hamilton, Ontario, and what I'm going to show you is something I've actually honestly never seen in the junkyard. It's a GMC from 1988. Now it's listed as a 1-ton on the website, but this is not a 1-ton, this is a 6,000. And I believe the 6,000, if I'm not mistaken, was a 2-ton. Now we're going to take a look around the outside first, then we'll take a look under here and see what's under this baby. So it's been banged around a little bit. It's not mint. So GVW under 8165 kilograms. So that'd be 16, about roughly 20,000 pounds, I think. It looks like it has the same cab as light duty trucks though, just raised up. GH 9328U. So basic. Manual windows. Amazingly, those still work. Wow. Impressive. And on the odometer, we've got 227,000 kilometers. It's almost 228,000 though. Apparently it came with a half a tank of fuel. Look at this cute little radio. I love it. That's so cute. I've never seen that size radio before. It is a 5-speed manual. Oh my gosh, that's a heavy clutch. Neutral. Holy long throws. And if you notice, your reverse is up here and your one is down here. I wonder why. Why is one here and go up to 2, 3, 4, 5? Strange. Something tells me this might have been a Uhaul truck, judging by all these stickers. And the fact that it had orange on the outside. But it was a long time ago this was a Uhaul. Not recently at all. So this probably would have been a moving truck of some sort. But could you imagine renting a manual transmission Uhaul moving truck? That'd be awesome, I think. This one here obviously is not so good anymore, but it did have air suspension. And it had the air tank right here. Not bad. And it had the saddle tank, I believe it was called. I think it's called a saddle tank. It was right here for fuel. Once again, you have the there. So AC, power steering, cloth seat. Yeah, this is definitely a Uhaul truck because they're advertising this, and the inflation of the tires would not be normally advertised. Now, under the hood. Okay. Stay. Stickers on the other side. We have emission control information, GBX, liter displacement 6.0. So this is a 6-liter V8, which I didn't know they had in 1988. Is that some sort of commercial only engine? I don't know. Solid axle front, of course. Being a heavy duty, that's pretty standard to have a solid axle front. But it's in not terrible shape, aside from the cab, which is wrecked. I wonder what engine this is though. The 6-liter, I've actually never heard of that one. I've heard of many 6-liters, but not the, like the 6-liter Vortec, but not the 6-liter in this one. This is like the Rancher mirrors, I guess I think these are called. And they're really big. I really like them. They give very good visibility. I've driven trucks similar to this one with them, and they just give excellent visibility. Like, they're the best mirrors you can drive with. The grill is intact, which is kind of neat, actually. And very strong bumper. Oh, the stories this thing could tell, moving people around the country, though. Wow. This would be a neat one to hear the stories of. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.